Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to secure your Yahoo account. Are you worried about the security of your Yahoo account? With the increasing number of online threats, it's more important than ever to secure your accounts. But don't worry, securing your Yahoo account is simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll walk you through easy steps to ensure your account is as safe as possible. Let's dive right in and take control of your account's security. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo login page. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info. In the Account Info page, find and click on the Security tab. The first thing to do here is to update your password. Click on Change Password, then enter a strong, unique password. Click Continue to save. Next, enable two-step verification. Scroll down and click on Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to add your phone number and verify it by entering the code sent to your device. Review your account recovery options. Under the same Security tab, check your recovery email and recovery phone number. Click on the Recent Activity tab. Review any sign-ins from unknown devices or locations. If you see anything suspicious, click Sign out of all other sessions. Now check the connected apps. Go back to the Recent Activity tab. Review and remove any apps you no longer use or recognize. Finally, always log out from public devices. Click on your profile icon again and select Sign Out when you're finished. Following these steps on your screen will help you secure your Yahoo account in just a few minutes. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.